We are not smiley today. We are a little bit sad today, aren't we? This baby grow, by the way, is from Next. Not sponsored, but it is absolutely adorable. Look at the little unicorn. There she is. So I've actually done my hair today, but not my makeup. But you know what? 7 years of doing this, guys. We're friends now, aren't we? So I don't feel like I have to dress up for you. So I just wanted to talk a little bit today about Olivia Hounslow's. She's been very, very grumpy. And I think her 2 teeth are coming through at the same time. So normally with babies, then their teeth come through, it's normally the 2 bottom ones and then the 2 top ones and then the rest come through. But this one looks like she's cutting both at the same time. So I don't know if that's ever happened to you guys. Please leave me a comment down below if that's happened to you. With Harry and Charlie, Harry started teething at I think 16 weeks, which is the same age as her. And Charlie, I think, was about 5 or 6 months, so he was a little bit later. But they did like 1 tooth and then the other tooth and then the 2 top ones. So what she's been doing recently is going through a kind of like breastfeeding strike where I go to put her on the breast and she like pulls away and starts shouting at me. And bearing in mind, we haven't actually offered her a bottle in like a while. So this isn't like a kind of, I prefer a bottle over the breast type thing. But yeah, she's been really, really cranky to the point actually where, you know, I give her the dummy and then she'll like suck it for like a few seconds and like take it out and shove my boob in her mouth and then she'll take it. But it's been really, really strange. She's not been a happy bunny. Are you grumpy? Are you not so happy? Oh, you little smiles. Little smiles. You pretty girl. But so she's been super dribbly and she's been swallowing a lot of dribble and explosive poos and just about everything really. What is so interesting over there, you'll see that she likes to turn her head more over that way. We are having chiropractor to try and correct that because this muscle here, although you're looking now, aren't you? So this muscle on this side is actually a lot looser and it's slightly more stiff on this side. It's maybe just where she was in the womb and she was just kind of in one position. But yeah, other than that, you're okay, aren't you? We're just teething. We're a little bit grumpy and we get tired. Are you doing a wee? I can feel like a sudden warmth in your nappy. But yeah, so she's just not really been herself, and we've got our injections tomorrow, which is the 3rd and final injections, I believe. I think this is the 3rd lot, and then they get another one when they're like 1 year old. I'm not sure. Ooh, next door's getting a huge Amazon parcel delivered. I am not jealous at all. I've managed to actually cut down a lot on my Amazon spending because I am dreadful. I love buying stuff on Amazon and then I realise that some of it's actually fake and not real, and it's, yeah, not great. I've bought like shampoos and like conditioner and hair masks and stuff and they've all been fake. Another thing I wanted to talk about is Dysphoric milk ejection reflex, and I never got this with my other 2 because when I would nurse I would get, you know, that like tingly feeling just as my milk was about to let down and then my milk would come out. And with Harry I had no pain. With Charlie I had a lot of pain. Just before the milk came out I had this like really, really intense pain, and it was more when I was like really full and really engorged, and I'd have to like hold Matt's hand at like 2 o'clock in the morning. I'd be like and he'd be like, breathe, wife, breathe, wife, like fast asleep. But yeah, so I had, you know, painful letdown. But with her, I noticed that just before my milk lets down, and I don't think it's got anything to do with my implants because a lot of people have this. I get this kind of like butterflies in my tummy, kind of like a excitable or like a kind of nausea type feeling just before my milk lets down. And it's really, really strange. The only way I can describe it is like, your husband suddenly comes home early from work and like offers you Chinese for dinner. Do you know what I mean? Like, you know, I love food. Yeah, I actually wrote on my Instagram, I just wanted to say thank you so much for all your lovely comments on my jean fat spilling over picture. I've now bought some size 14 jeans. I will show you them. Let's put you down, miss. So as you can see, these are a size 14 and they fit so much better. There is no fat spillage at all. Oh, you got your little star. Yay! Can I give you some milk yet? I know you want milk, but you just don't want milk. I know you're hungry, but you're just not having it, are you? See if I can latch her on. No. Oh, darling. Come on. Oh, dear. Oh, it's so sad for you. Okay. Okay. I mean, I don't know what to do. Shall I go and, you know, express some milk into a bottle? Or like... What's the matter, sweetheart? Where's your star gone? Here he is. There he is. We chew on him for a little while. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, guys, I don't really know what to do. I'd hope... Please leave me some suggestions down below in the comments. Obviously, at some point she will accept my milk, but just the past few days, she's just been really off it. And I haven't changed, like, my diet or anything like that. I don't think my period's, like, due to return. Hopefully not. I think it's more her little tushy pegs. They're really sad. I've got about an hour and a half till I've got to pick up the kids. I think we're going to be making a trip to go get some Bonjela. So I do hope you enjoyed this video and kind of related to it in some way. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to me for free to follow my journey, and we will see you in our next video. Say bye, ladies. Bye, ladies.